Dear students, now we will discuss some more examples related to the topic exponents and radicals. Simplify and express the answers with positive indices. What is the meaning of positive indices? It means exponent of base should be positive. First example is 2 x raised to power 1 by 6 multiplied by 2 x raised to power minus 7 by 6. Here 2 raised to power 1 and here 2 raised to power 1. So we will write 2 multiplied by 2. It is numerical coefficient and it is variable x. 1 power 1 by 6 multiplied by x raised to power minus 7 by 6. Here we will apply law of exponent. Which rule will be applicable here? A raised to power n multiplied by a raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m plus n. So 2 to the 4 multiplied by x raised to power 1 by 6 plus minus 7 by 6. We will solve 1 by 6 and plus minus 7 by 6. You can take LCM. LCM of 6 and 6 is 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. We will multiply the numerator by 1. Now 6 divided by 6, 1. So minus 7 multiplied by 1 also. It is 1 ones are 1 and it is plus minus 7 ones are minus 7. Plus 1 and minus 7 is minus 6. Minus 6 by 6 which is minus 1. So we will write here 4 multiplied by x raised to power minus 1. Here exponent is negative. We will make it positive. How? We will take the reciprocal of x. What is the reciprocal of x? 1 by x and power will be 1. Which rule we apply here? A raised to power minus n is equal to 1 by a raised to power n. 4 ones are 4 and by x. It is the answer. Answer 4 by x. Now next example is it is radical 1 by x raised to power minus 12. Index is here 4. Bracket close and whole power is minus 2 by 3. First of all, we will write this radical in exponential form. How we will write it? 1 by x raised to power minus 12. It is the radicand. Minus 12 by 4. It is the exponential form of this radical. And whole power is minus 2 by 3. Here we will apply the law of exponent. A raised to power n whole power n is equal to a raised to power mn. So 1 by x minus 12 by 4 multiplied by minus 2 by 3. Minus multiplied by minus is plus. Base is 1 by x. 3 ones and 3 fours, 4 ones and 4 ones. It is 2. We will solve 1 raised to power 2 by x raised to power 2, which is 1 by x raised to power 2. It is the answer. When the radical is given, you have to write in the exponential form like this. Now it is m, it is n. We will multiply the exponents. Minus multiplied by minus will be positive. Positive answer. 3 ones are 3 fours are 4 ones are 4 ones are. So it is the exponent. When we solve it, numerator raised to power 2, denominator is also x raised to power 2. When we solve 1 raised to power 2, it will be 1 and it is x raised to power 2. So answer is 1 by x raised to power 2. Thank you.